once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low-key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. I've been chasing summer around, searching for the sunshine, looking for a good time, following the good vibes, listening to intuition as it's happening, digging into life cause at times it can be saddening. Yeah, it can be a gray day if you're lonely. A little rain suddenly turns heavy, but a whole lot of love can make the clouds go away. Maybe the time for us is now, when the table's set for two and there's nobody with you, seeing movies by yourself. Let me be your someone else. It could be love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low-key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. La 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 la. I'm making words up, unlonely ain't a word, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'm fresh from the farm where critics can't bother me. Living is tricky as it is, so that ain't stopping me. You and me, we both agree that no one needs a scrutiny. All we want is peace and love, and honestly you ruin me with your beautiful smile and your style continuity. I'd be a fool not to take the opportunity to say, hey, we should be homies. I think we could be bigger than cheese and macaroni. We could keep it sweet like Chachi and Joni, or maybe just be ourselves, never phony, never second guessing the friendship connection. Parallel living, never in possession of your individual personal expression. Together we're just a much better reflection of love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low-key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. La 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 la. Love, la la la. One and only. I could make you unlonely. La 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 la. Love, la la la. One and only. I could make you. The table set for two, and there's nobody with you, seeing movies by yourself. Let me be your someone else. If you're spending time alone, if it's just you and your phone, taking pictures of yourself, baby, maybe I can help. It could be love, and we could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. We could take it slowly, and we could keep it low-key. I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. La 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 la. Love, la la la. One and only. I could make you be love. We could be homies. But once you get to know me, I could be your one and only. I could make you unlonely. If this life is one act, why do we lay all these traps? We put them right in our path when we just wanna be free. I will not waste my days making up all kinds of ways to worry about all the things that will not happen to me. So I just let go of what I know I don't know, and I know I only do this by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind. I fall asleep, I know you'll be the one who'll always remind me to live in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, peace in my mind, peace in my heart, peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I can't walk through life pushing backwards. I have tried more than once to just make sure, and I was denied the future I'd been searching for. I spun around and hurt no more by living in the moment, living my life easy and breezy, with peace in my mind, with peace in my heart, with peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I'm living in the moment, I'm living my life, just taking it easy. Peace in my mind, got peace in my heart, got peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. I'm living in the moment, I'm living my life easy and breezy. Peace in my mind, peace in my heart, peace in my soul. Wherever I'm going, I'm already home. Living in the moment. You've got a hold of me, don't even know your power. I stand 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you. Show me an open door, then you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me, and take it easy on my heart. Even though you told me to hurt me, you keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart?
Najpierw znika poczucie rytmu, ale myślę, cóż, może będzie jakiś zysk tu. Potem myślę, Chrystus, dlaczego muszę być tu? Ale trzecia tequila zabija poczucie wstydu. Wszystkim parkiet zbrzydł już, ja nie muszę kryć już, że alkohol tańczy ze mną walczyk po walczyku. Najpierw tańczy tango, potem coś inspirowany sambu. Wiruje w dół karową, by wrócić na górę tamką. Przyglądam się nastolatkom, kiedyś wychodziły rzadko, teraz wpadły w miasta bagno i kłamią wciąż swoim matkom. Nagie nogi w szpilkach, ciekawe co na to tatko. Przechodzę na czerwony, będzie mandat, kozacko. Rano będzie słabo, teraz sram na to. Prawda jest taka, że nie wychodziłem tak dawno. Wracam na Krakowskiej i upadam, już sam nie wiem na co. Słyszę tylko śmiech tych dziewczyn głupich i grubych jak Grzegorz Lato. A obok w zakąskach za barem się pląsa pan Roman i wtrąca w rozmowy się. A obok w kamieniach małżonków wciąż nie ma, więc całują słomiane wdowy się. A obok tam w bistro miłości na szybko się wiążą i milkną, gdy nowy dzień. Trójkąt warszawski, trójkąt warszawski. Dostać wpysk w Subwayu na Świętokrzyskiej. W Warszawie trzeba być atletą, to przede wszystkim. Rozmowy z tym bramkarzem, kotletem spełzły na niczym. Na Garową już nie wrócę dziś, co za policzek. Wychodzę na ulicę i schodzę znów na Powiśle. I brodzę po krętej drodze, telefon mi głośno piszczy. Cierpliwość tracę i zdrowie, bo znowu ta ruda pisze. A kiedy znowu mnie dorwie, znów udam, że jej nie słyszę. Idę prosto przed siebie i mijam buf. Mój telefon na mnie krzyczy, ja widzę, że pisze znów. Chyba złapię taksówkę, wydałem już kilka stów. 300, wciąż idę dalej i czuję już Wisły brud. Szlug i mocz, woda i pot to dziwny smród. A po drugiej stronie Wisły grasuje już inny lud. Istny cud, my tu fit i jogurty i pitny miód. A tam nikt nie oszukuje się wcale i tli się szlug.